Welcome to the Contractor Success Map podcast. I'm your host, Bradley Hart, and I'm an expert on how you can get the most out of your contracting company. The reason I designed this show is to help you turn your contracting company from a people-dependent money pit into a process-dependent cash cow to have the freedom you dreamed of when you started your business. Every Friday, we're releasing podcasts with information to help you get the most out of your contracting company. Be sure to join us at www.contractorsuccessmap.com. and subscribe to receive our latest articles and special offers. And the best part, it's all free, just for you.
Hello there. Welcome back or welcome to our podcast. I hope you are doing great and in excellent health. This is Norhalma delivering our 591st episode by Sherry DeHart. You can listen to the other sessions on iTunes, Spotify, or wherever podcast content is published. They are non-sequential, so you can listen to the topics that interest you the most. Sherry's post is about construction business continuity, from labor to legacy. Let's explore it. We often overlook the immense value that construction contractors bring to our communities. From building our homes and schools, to developing infrastructure and commercial spaces, construction contractors like you play a vital role in shaping our world. Your contributions are undeniably essential, yet they often go unrecognized. This Labor Day weekend, it's time to shed light on your significant impact on our everyday lives. Construction contractors are responsible for bringing our dreams and ideas into reality. Whether it's a new residential housing development, a highway expansion project, or the construction of a commercial building, you are the driving force behind these monumental undertakings. You possess the expertise, skills, and dedication necessary to transform architectural plans into tangible structures serving our communities. Furthermore, construction contractors are instrumental in maintaining and improving existing infrastructure, from repairing roads and bridges to renovating aging buildings. Your work ensures the safety and functionality of the spaces we rely on daily. Without your commitment to upkeep and innovation, our infrastructure would deteriorate, posing risk to public safety and hindering economic growth. Your projects generate employment opportunities for skilled laborers, engineers, architects, and other professionals. Furthermore, the construction industry stimulates economic activity by purchasing materials, equipment, and services, fostering local and national economic development. We recognize and appreciate your dedication and hard work. Your unwavering commitment to quality, safety, and efficiency directly impacts our daily experiences. Whether building a new neighborhood park or renovating a historic landmark, your work enhances the quality of life for individuals and communities. Successful contractors improve processes all year long. Your construction company can benefit from an excellent system that other successful contractors use now. So there is no need to reinvent the wheel. As your construction company grows and evolves, your processes can support the controlled and planned expansion. Along with trying to keep up with your construction business, the unfortunate reality is that most business owners need to take proper holidays. This is usually because their business relies on them, and they need the support to keep the business running without them. As a construction business owner, have you ever considered what would happen to the business if you had to take a 6-month break because of a severe illness or injury? Would the business survive? How would the bills get paid? And while it might not be nice to think about if you were to die, are you sure your business partners would give your loved wants a fair deal. For these reasons, all business owners must have a detailed succession plan. A succession plan is like a will, but for a business. However, there is often a more comprehensive range of scenarios and options. Succession planning, even when you're a sole proprietor, is critical to ensuring the continuity and legacy of your construction business. It involves identifying and developing new leaders who can take over critical roles within the company when the current leaders retire, resign, or are otherwise unable to continue. Like many others, the construction industry comprises family-owned businesses and long-standing companies with deep roots in their local communities. In such cases, succession planning is about ensuring the smooth transition of leadership and preserving the values, traditions, and reputation built over time. Consider the potential impact of sudden leadership changes on ongoing projects and client relationships. Clients, subcontractors, and other stakeholders often develop trust and familiarity with a construction company's leaders. A sudden change in leadership without a clear succession plan can lead to uncertainty and negatively impact these vital relationships. Here are some key steps to consider when planning for the succession of your construction business. First, identify potential successors. Consider who could take over the business in the event of your retirement, disability, or unexpected absence. This could be a family member, a key employee, or an external party with the skills and understanding of the business operations. Second, prepare your business for transition. Document and organize all aspects of your business, including financial records, client contracts, and operational procedures. This will help the successor understand and manage the business effectively. Third, establish a clear transition plan. Outline a detailed plan for the transition of ownership and management. This should include timelines, responsibilities, and potential training requirements for the successor. Communicate this plan openly with all relevant parties involved. Fourth, seek professional advice. Consult with legal and financial advisors to ensure your succession plan complies with applicable laws and regulations. They can also help you structure the ownership transfer and minimize tax implications. Next is consider financial implications. Determine the financial value of your business and explore options for transferring ownership, such as selling the company, gifting shares to family members, or structuring a buyout agreement with a successor. Sixth, communicate with stakeholders. Openly communicate your succession plan with family members, key employees, and other stakeholders who may be affected. Address any concerns and ensure everyone knows the business's future direction. Next, develop a contingency plan. Prepare for unforeseen events by devising a contingency plan that outlines what would happen if you could not continue running the business. This could involve appointing a temporary manager or identifying an interim solution. And last but not the least, review and update regularly. Review and update your succession plan regularly to account for changes in your business, personal circumstances, or relevant laws. Flexibility is essential in ensuring that the plan remains viable over time. Succession planning for your construction business as a sole proprietor may seem complex, but taking proactive steps to address it can provide peace of mind and stability for your business's future. In conclusion, construction contractors like you play an indispensable role in our lives by shaping our physical environment, bolstering our economy, and enhancing our well-being. Your contributions are woven into the fabric of our everyday experiences, and it's essential to acknowledge and celebrate your valuable impact. For the tireless efforts in constructing our world, we would like to help you extend, safeguard, and continue this legacy. By carefully considering the options and seeking professional advice, you can ensure a smooth transition when the time comes. Thank you for building a better world, one project at a time. Contractors like you deserve to be wealthy because you bring value to our lives. Happy Labor Day weekend. And that ends Sherry's blog post. Do you want to discuss growing your construction business or succession planning? Please don't hesitate to contact Sherry. You can email her at Sherry, Sharie, Sherry at fasteasyaccounting.com. Or you can call her for any questions, concerns, or just about anything about your construction business's struggles or experiences. Please don't hesitate. Her number is 1-800-361-1770 or our local Washington State phone line 206-361-3950. Those numbers are all direct access to her. And of course, our promo code, it's still available for you to use. It's podcast20, PODCAST20, podcast20. Whether you need a bookkeeping template or would like to enroll in one of our construction accounting classes. Links to our online store and academy are in our blog. On behalf of Sherry and our team here at Fast Easy Accounting, this is Norhalma. Thank you all for listening. Stay safe and healthy, and have a happy Labor Day weekend.
And stay tuned for upcoming episodes on how to turn your contracting company into a process-dependent cash cow. Bye for now. Thanks for tuning in. You're listening to the Contractor Success Map. If you enjoyed the show, please leave a 5-star rating and review here on iTunes. And make sure to head over to www.contractorsuccessmap.com to subscribe to receive the latest articles and special offers. If you'd like to discuss your business strategy, simply click on the button labeled Strategy Session. And the best part, it's all free, just for you.